Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. It's me Devika. So today in this video I'm going to share with you the OG palette from Starstruck by Sunny Leone. So as you can see, I have already shown the palette, how it looks, and the packaging is quite amazing. So let's just jump into the details now. Okay, so this is the OG shadow palette and you can see all the ingredients mentioned here, and yes, they have also mentioned the price and manufacturing date, expiry date, everything. And yes, it's a not animal tested product, it's paraben free and less chemical used, and net weight you get here is 24.5 gram. So this is the opening, it has magnetic opening, and yes, these are the shade. This palette consists of total 14 shades, 7 shimmers and 7 matte shades. So the shimmers are quite buttery, it blends so nicely on your eyelid. And let's see the swatches, and the matte shades are also quite amazing, highly pigmented. So these are the swatches, so let's quickly see the swatches. This palette is quite good if you want to create the smoky look and if you want to create any party look. So you can see the shimmer shades are quite buttery, and really I love the black shade because this black shade is really to work with, and it does have a gray shade if you want to create the smoky eye. So yes, I'm done, and these are the swatches. As you can see, they are quite beautiful, and yes, for everyday look you can go for this. I will mention the detail and the price of this palette, so you can check out the purchase link in my description box. So now let's jump on to the tutorial. So quickly I'm going to apply the concealer all over my eyelid. As you see, I've already done my brows and going to pack it. So this is a quite quick tutorial now. Going to take this black shade, and yes, I'm going to create a spotlight look. So I'm going to pack this shade quickly. The brush I'm using here is from Bougie Beauty. So I'm going to pack this shade. So as I said, the black shade in this palette is quite good because you can work with this, it's not going to spread. And yes, one thing, I have not applied anything after concealer, I have not set it with powder, I'm directly working on it. So I will quickly pack the black shade. Next, I'm taking a clean brush and going to blend the edges of this black shade now. And next shade is this gray one, and going to blend the black shade edges. And guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me. There I share many things about what I am going to upload next. And yes, I do share mini tutorial on Instagram, so do follow me, link will be in my description box, do check it out. Okay, next I have just blended everything and going to deepen the black shade and going with this shade now. Going to blend the edges using this WhatsApp Beauty brush. Next, going to work with concealer because I'm going to create this spotlight eye look. So I don't need much concealer. Next, I'm going to take this shimmer shade and just packing it in the middle of my eyelid. And as you see, these shimmers are quite buttery and the brushes quickly pick up the shade. Otherwise, you need a finger to apply the shade. But in this palette, if you're going for this palette, you doesn't need your finger. The brushes easily pick the shade because they are so buttery and nice, highly pigmented. Then going to blend it, the edges with the gray shade. Now I'm going to work on my lower lash line. Going to apply black, gray, and yes, on the middle I'm going to apply that same shade what I've applied on my eyelid. So this eye look, it's like a pretty quick easy look which I created using the OG palette. And yes, I'm quite impressed with their pigmentation, and yes, everything is like amazing. Next, I'm going to quickly curl my lashes, apply mascara, before applying mascara you should always curl your lashes to get that curl. Okay, next I'm going to apply this Anastasia ABH mascara on my upper and lower lash line. Upper and lower lashes. And after applying my lashes, this is my final look, as you can see. So I'm quite amazed with this palette, and yes, the pigmentation is quite amazing on the point. You can create any look using this palette. You can create party look, you can create smoky eye, so there are many options using this palette. You can create many eye looks, and for everyday you can go for this. And you can also create the nude look as well, the neutral look as well. So I will mention the link of this palette in my description box, and I will highly recommend this palette. You can go for it. It's a good investment. Investing is a good palette is always a good investment. So I will mention all the purchase link in my description box. Go and check out if you're interested to buy. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.